Still on the circle theorem, let's look at this question. Hem n is a tangent to the given circle at M. MR and MQ are two chords. If angle QMN is 60 degrees and MNQ is 40 degrees, find angle RMQ. So here are the options. So let's look at this um, problem to solve. Now they said MN is a tangent. I think from now, I mean, by now you know what a tangent is. The line that cuts on the uh, part on any part of this circumference of a circle. Okay, that's the tangent. So, and which is this? So here is the point of tangency. Okay, the point at which the line cuts the points on the circumference of the circle. So now MR and MQ, MR, this MR and MQ, they are two chords. You know by now you should know what a chord means. So that's the distance between the two points of the circumference of the circle. Okay, so uh, and if angle QMN is 60, where is QMN? That is Q. That is M. QM QMN. This angle is 60, right? Okay, and MNQ is 40. MNQ, this angle is 40, 40 degrees. Find the RMN, angle RMQ. RMQ, this angle. You are asked to find this angle. Let's say this is X. So that is what we are asked to find. So how do we go about it? Now, if you look at it very well, we can find this angle. Okay, can find this angle. All right. By the time you find this angle, so this is triangle MN. Let's write solution. So the triangle, we have triangle MN. In triangle MNQ, we can find our Q. Okay, our Q, our angle Q. Okay, our angle Q. That is if we have these two angles together and subtract it from 180, that is sum of angles in the triangle 1 2 3. Okay, that will be 180 degree minus 60 plus 4 40 degrees. So that will give us 180 degrees minus 100 degrees, so that is 80 degrees. So that means that this place is 80 degrees. To know this angle, we subtract it from 180. Or if you want to go, if you don't want to go like that, you can add this thing, these two angles, these interior angles on, and we give us this exterior angle, which is 100 degrees, right? So now we have gotten this now. So how are we going to get this angle? Now, if you remember this theorem, this is a tangent and this is a chord. If you remember that theorem, that the angle between the tangent of a circle and then the chord through the point of contact is the same is the same angle in the alternate segment. That is this angle, okay, is the same thing as this angle. That is what is saying. This angle is the same thing as this angle, so which is 60. That is the angle between the tangent and then the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segments. So you can try to check my videos, previous videos on that theorem. So now what else again? We are looking for x, RMQ, RMQ. Okay, so our problem is, I think, is solved now. So what do we do? We just add everything together and then equate it to 180. Sum of angle in the triangle, and we get our x. So you add this together, add x plus 60 degree plus 100 degree is equal to 180. That is x plus 160 degrees is equal to is equal to 180 degrees. So x is equal to 180 degree minus 160 degrees. So that is 20 degrees. So x is 20 degrees. That is RMQ is the 20 degrees. I think from here you've learned one or two things. So don't forget to share and to comment and to like this channel for more. Thank you.